Let's take a look now at how packages affect our application. So here we are in IntelliJ. Let's go ahead and create a new project. It'll of course be a Java project. Again, remember that the buttons at the bottom are off the screen here at this resolution. So I'm going to click that next button. Just accept the defaults here. I'm going to go ahead and create the project template as a command line. Okay, I'm going to go down here and click the next button. So now I'm going to create my project. My project name is going to be organized. We'll name that as the project. But now I'm going to go and give this one a package name. Right? So we're going to follow that rules we talked about, com.pluralsight. And then we're going to go ahead and add our final qualifier. And let's just call this one get organized. So now our project name organized is a IDE concept, right? It's just what we're calling the project within the IDE. But this package name, com.pluralsight.getOrganized, is the package name we're using within a Java sense. Very often, the last part of the package name is the same as your project name, but I just want to make them different in this case to show that they're not directly related. Right? So let's go here and just finish this. So here we are in our application now. Right? We've got our source code, or excuse me, our class in place just like we did before, but now we have that package declaration at the top. Right, what I'm going to do here is let's go ahead and delete this line away. And let's go ahead and write some output. But this time we'll just say something like, hello, get organized. Right, let's just go ahead and run this, make sure everything's fine. So we'll run it just like we did before. Run. And we see there in our output, and our console window shows, hello, get organized. So everything ran just like it did before. So from within the IDE, nothing's really any different. Let's take a look now about how that change to a package affected our source code file hierarchy, right? So I created a project called Organize. So this is the folder I created it in. So it's inside of there. Our SRC, our source code area. But now notice that we have a com, Pluralsight, and then a get organized. Right? So that's where our main.java is. So created our folders just like we thought it would. But let's see how that affects our class name now, right? So I'm going to go back up here to the organized level. We're going to go to the output folder. So out, production, and then organized. So go in there. Let's go ahead and open up a command line here. Now you notice right away that you don't see the main.java in there. In fact, the main.java is actually buried down again under this com folder structure. But I want to focus on that. We'll talk more about that aspect of it later in the course. What I want to do now is open up the command prompt right there. So we've got our command prompt. And we're going to go ahead and run the program. Now remember that we said when we run our programs, we actually identify the class name. Right? So I'm going to say Java. Right? As we run the Java program, I'm going to say com.pluralsight.getOrganized. Right? That's our package name .main. So now when I run that, we get our hello get organized. Because remember that we said by putting it in the package, our class main real name is now the fully qualified name within the package, com.pluralsight.getOrganized.main. So by running that class name qualified with the package, our application ran correctly.